Hey, this is Kerry with Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories. I want to let you know about another product that we've been working on. And this is our backrest bag, which can also be used as a tail bag. Some of the advantages of this bag is using it with our backrest is it's been designed specifically for our backrest. On the back side, there are Velcro pieces that can be opened, wove around the legs of our backrest, reattached, and then also this upper strap will go around the front of the backrest. So as this bag is opened, it has little hinge points that keep your stuff from falling out when it's mounted in a vertical position. Those hinge points can also be undone when it's used in a tail bag configuration so that it can open all the way. Inside the bag, there are two stretch pockets on the inside. Also on the inside of the lid, it has a zippered mesh pocket and also another sleeve pocket on the inside.